Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will find the value of x from this given equation, which is 5 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x, which is equal to 16. So in the first step I will divide 5 raised to the power x on both sides. So dividing 5 raised to the power x on both sides. So it will become 5 raised to the power x divided by 5 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x divided by 5 raised to the power x, and it will be equal to 16 divided by 5 raised to the power x. So it will be cancelled out. So it will become 1 minus 3 raised to the power x divided by 5 raised to the power x, and it is equal to 16 divided by 5 raised to the power x. As we know that a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m can be written as a divided by b whole power m. So we can write it as 1 minus 3 divided by 5 whole power x, and it is equal to 16 divided by 5 raised to the power x. Now here we have 3 divided by 5 whole power x. So if b raised to the power x is equal to y, then this b is less than 1, or we can say that 0 less than b less than 1. So your function is a decreasing function. It's mean 3 divided by 5 whole power x is a decreasing function. So if I will draw it on graph, so it will like this. It is a decreasing function. And here 5 raised to the power x. 5 raised to the power x is in the denominator. So 5 raised to the power x cannot be equal to 0. So if this is not equal to 0, then it's mean b will be greater than 1. So it will be a increasing function like this. Okay, so in denominator it is an increasing function. If you have increasing function in denominator but the whole is reciprocated, so that full function will be decreasing function. Okay, now this function is a decreasing function and this function is also a decreasing function. So if you multiply decreasing function by -1, this decreasing function, and multiply it with -1, so it is an increasing function, like we are flipping it. So this whole function will be an increasing function. Now we can write this as 1 is equal to 3 divided by 5 whole power x plus 16 divided by 5 raised to the power x. Now here this function is a decreasing function, as we already know that, and this function is also a decreasing function, and this one, it is a constant value. It's mean it is a constant function. So we get a decreasing function because the derivative of this and this is negative. So when we add two negative number, give us a negative number. So it's mean this function is a decreasing function. Now if we put here x is equal to 0, so it will become 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 0 plus 16 divided by 5 raised to the power 0. So it will give us 1 plus 16, which is equal to 17. Okay, now Let's try to draw a graph here. So let's suppose here we have 17. So it will be a decreasing function. Now here x tends to infinity. The function is above the x-axis, that how it does not touch and reach the 0. And also here we have a constant function 1. So this is equal to y is equal to 3 divided by 5 whole power x plus 16 divided by 5 raised to the power x. And here we have y is equal to 1. So if we draw here a line, it will be like this. As I told you that it's a decreasing function, so it is above x-axis, because if x tends to infinity, the function will also tends to infinity, where it is above the x-axis. And also here I have another line, y is equal to 1. Now this shows that it crosses at only one point. So the function are going to intersect at only one point. That's mean it has only one solution. So let's find out the solution is. So here the given equation is 5 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x is equal to 16. So if I will substitute here x is equal to 1, then it will become 5 minus 3. Will it be equal to 16 or not? So it will not be equal to 16. It's mean x is equal to 1 is not a solution for this equation. Okay. When I will substitute here x is equal to 2. So it will become 5 raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power 2. Will it be equal to 16 or not? So it will be 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. So here it is equal to 16. That's mean this x is equal to 2 is the only solution, because we have already know that this equation has only one solution, and which is x is equal to 2. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.